except for these.
We can roast garlic. That'll be fun. Let's roast it in the air fryer. Oh, that'll be even better. Let's do that.
So I want to ask you, what's your guess? Have I done this before or not? Put your answer in the comments below.
Yep. Snip, snip, a clean cut across the top so these little guys roast up golden and gorgeous.
Drizzle that olive oil right on them, right like that.
Oh my gosh, I'm getting into the origami now. Oh boy, it's like prehistoric origami. Jesus, take the foil.
You can always put them in ramekins also.
But I don't have ramekins, so I have tinfoil.
Should we make it into a swan? Into a pterodactyl?
My grandma would have said, put that down and go pray.
It is all preheated. So in the oven, it'll go. Put the tray and then our little garlic. I want to put it in here 20 minutes.
I just have to stare at that. Aha! I just busted you because you know you do it too. If you really know what you're doing, you roast it in two steps. Stop everything! I'm totally lying to you. This is the fake it till you make it method of garlic roasting. Why don't I just out myself now? I think I just did.
Yeah. Now that is more like it. This garlic gold is mine. Or is it a garlic gold mine? All right, I know that was a bad joke. If you haven't had roasted garlic, you are in for a treat. I mean, just look at this. Garlic glory! It's like Oprah, remember? You get some garlic and you get some garlic. Boom, right out. Just like that. Right onto the cracker. Here, husband, you try first. That is utterly... Hi, guys. That is garlic gold and it's mine. I'm Calamity Girl and and this is my point of view.